Rajana
Yes, now theory and certain points remain. So let us finish with that. Be attentive. First, I explain you one of the properties of arithmetic mean, one of the important results on arithmetic mean. So that we take up first. Be attentive. Not only arithmetic mean, but it applies to even median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles and more. All of them are affected by change of origin and scale. Listen carefully. All of them are affected by change of origin and scale. Now they are affected by change of origin. Origin means plus or minus. Scale means multiplication or division. Now they are affected by change of origin and scale means what? Okay. If any number is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by all the observations, then mean, median, quartile, decile, percentile and mode will also get added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by the same number. For example, suppose the 5 observations are, let us say, 5, 15, 20, 40, 50. Okay? So 5, 20, 40, 80, 130. Now, how do you find the x bar? Sigma x upon n. So 130 divided by 5, that is 26. Is everyone clear with this? Now suppose I add 3 in all the observations. Then 5 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 23, 40 plus 3, 43, 50 plus 3, 53. Now 8, 16, 19, 22, 25, 3, 5, 9, 14. What does the total now come to? What will be your x bar now? Sigma x upon n. 145 divided by 5. Does it come to 29 or not? Check it. 145 divided by 5.
Yes.
Now see what happened. You have added 3 in all the observations. So mean also gets added by 3. You have added 3 in all the observations. So mean also gets added by 3. Did you understand this? Same way, suppose you subtract 4 from all of them. You minus 4 from all of them. Then the new mean will be 26 minus 4, 22. If you multiply all of them with 2, then new mean will be 26 into 2, 52. If you divide all of them with 2, then new mean will be 26 divided by 2, 30. So mean, median, quartile, decile, percentile, mode, all of them are affected by change of origin and scale. Means if you add, subtract, multiply or divide all the observations by any one number, then mean, median, mode, quartiles, deciles, percentiles will also get added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by the same number. Did you understand this property or not, everyone? Any doubts with this? So write down this in the important notes. In the summary, if there is a space, write it down in the important notes. No need to write the example, just that property. That they are affected by change of origin and scale. All of you are clear with this property, everyone? Raise your hand who did not understand, and remember this language, it will come across again and again. Origin and scale language will come in further chapters also. Did you write it down? Look at page 115, section B of exercise 3, question 9. See a mean of variable x's. Read that. What is it given? Mean of variable x's. So can I say x bar is equal to 9? What is the mean of variable y equals to x plus 4? Now just now we studied that property that if you add, minus, multiply or divide all the observations with number, then mean will also get changed in the same manner. Here what we are doing, adding 4 in x means in all the observations you are adding 4. So mean will also get added by 4. Means what will be your new mean y bar? X bar plus 4. 9 plus 4, that is 30. Over. Understood that? So for 1 mark such objective questions will come in your exams. Write it down. Do this on your own. Next page, question 9, section C, the similar one. Next page, question 9, do it on your own, it is similar one. Yes, I am reading it now. Mean of weekly production X of factory is 81 units. Means X bar is 81. Now they say, find the mean production cost if cost is given by the function y equals to 3x plus 50. Y equals to 3x plus 50 means we are changing the origin as well as scale. All observations first you are multiplying with 3. You are changing the scale and then you are also adding 50. You are changing the origin. So mean also will first get multiplied with 3 and then get added with 50. Means what will be the new mean y bar? 3 into x bar plus 50. 3 into 81 plus 50. 243 plus 50. 293. Who all could get this right? So all of you are clear with this property? Any confusions? Some objective practicals are remaining. We take up that first, then we take up with the theory part of this chapter. Okay? So look at section B. Question 8. Page 115, section B, question 8. Whatever questions are left out, first we complete them. Look at that. Median of 10 observations is 55. If the value of largest observation increases from 100 to 110, find the new median. Can anyone of you tell me what would be the new median? What is?
105.
No. Median of 10 observations is 55. Value of largest observation increases from 100 to 110. Then find the new median. Kushbu? No? Amit?
55.
Same, 55. Correct.
Yes.
Median will remain same only because median is not affected by largest and smallest observation. See, suppose the observations are 30, 42, 55, 80 and 100. What is the median? This is the middlemost observation. Okay. Now this 100, if I make it 110, still what will be the median? Median will not get affected by that because it is the middlemost observation. And last observation you are changing. Did you understand this? So median will remain same. Okay, write down. Median is equal to 55 since it is not affected by largest observation or highest observation. Understood this portion? Raise your hand who did not understand this. Very simple question, but if we don't do it in the class, you will not be able to solve. We'll make such mistakes that last observation 100, 210. So 55 plus 10, 65. Some will do this also. And many of you thought that. So such mistakes should not be done. Median will not be affected by the last observation. Got it, everyone? Next. 9th we did. 10th one. Find the modal value of the variable having the following frequency distribution. Is it a discrete frequency distribution? What is the formula of mode in discrete? Observation against highest frequency. So 10 is your mode. What is the highest frequency? 40. Write down. Mode is observation against highest frequency, that is 10. Did you understand this? 11th question. Arithmetic mean of two numbers is 5. Means can I say n is 2? Arithmetic mean means x bar is 5. If one number is, let us say x1 is 6. Find the other number means x2 is what we have to find. Any confusion in that? Now what is the formula of mean? Sigma xi upon n. What will we take in place of x bar? Can I say sigma xi means x1 plus x2? Because there are only two observations. Any confusions? Divide by what is n? Now in x1 we will put, so we can find out x2. Let or not tell you. So 5 is equal to 6 plus x2 upon 2. Okay. Now, what will be what next? What will you minus? Silence, no discussion, don't ask. Stand up. Panchi, up. What next? Yes? Stand up. Bhakti. So what will happen if 2 goes there? Multiply. Sit down. You keep standing. 5 into 2 will be 6 plus x2. 5 into 2, that is 10, is 6 plus x2. Manchi. Ta. Next step. After this, 10 equals to 6 plus x2. What next? Silence, everyone. Means you are laughing on your own that you are not able to answer this. What is it exactly? Purvi? How do you get 4? It's not x bar, it's x2. You write these 2 times, 2 steps 50 times. Okay? 2 on the other side will get multiplied. So now, and you write 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 steps 20 times. So now, six on the other side will become minus. So x2 equals to 10 minus 6, that is. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Next. Question 12. Yes, silence. Find the first quartile for variable with observations 15, 4, 7, 22, 7 and 13. It is ungrouped data. So first to find quartile, what will we have to do? Ascending order. Madam, arranging in ascending order we get 2, 4, 7, 7, 13, 15 and 20. Now, how many observations are there? 7 observations are there. N is equal to 7. Okay. Q1. Ivanshu, what is the formula? No. Romit? No. Kiran? Very good. Fantastic. What is your name? Satvik. What is the formula, Satvik? Don't see in his notebook. You want it 200 times? Yes. Harmi? Nikhil? Yes. Silence everyone. What good work you people are doing. Very good. Shiv? All the people, those who are standing, write this formulas of ungrouped data 100 times each by tomorrow. Yash? Harmi? Nikhil? Satvik? Himanshu? Romit and Kiran. So now, value of Jn plus 1 by 4th observation, you don't remember, so don't write only this, write all the 4. Median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles. All the 4 I want 100 times. Okay, silence now. The value of 1, n plus 1 by 4th observation. So value of 1, 7 plus 1 by 4th observation. Value of 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 4. Second. Okay, not 2 but second observation. Now what is the second observation? 4. Now question number 13. Then you can answer it maybe in the textbook itself also if you want. You have done this earlier in the notes also, raise your hand. Which average can be obtained if continuous frequency distribution has open-ended classes? Which average can be obtained if continuous frequency distribution has open-ended classes? Drashti? Median, I made you write this in the important notes also. So, right on over there itself, you want to write median? For open-ended classes, median is the most ideal measure, okay? 14th also, it's very simple one, we have written it in the notes earlier, raise your hand. If Q3 is 25.75, then find P75. Raise your hand. Patel?
It is same 2.7.
Yes, P75 will be equal to Q3 itself, that is 25.75. We have discussed it in the notes that median Q2, T5, P50 are same. Then Q1 and P25 are same, Q3 and P75 are same. Further D1 and P10, D2 and P20 up till D9 and P90. These all are same values. And the last one, the median of daily demand of a vendor is 15. If he sells each item for rupees 10, then find the median of his revenue. Raise your hand. Rohit?
15 multiplied by 10.
15 multiplied by 10, 150. Price median is, demands median is 15. Price of each item is 10 rupees. So what will be his revenue? 15 into 10? 150. Simply you will write median revenue is equal to 15 into 10 rupees, that is 150. Same property, change of scale. Each observation will get multiplied with 10, so median will become 15 into 10, 150. I think section D, nothing else is remaining or remaining. 7th is remaining. Section D is question 7. Section C, sorry. Remember, the mean and mode of a variable are 5.5 and 6.4. What is 5.5? Mean means x bar. What is 6.4? Mode means mode. Okay, 6.4 is mode. Now they say find its median. Raise your hand. How would you find median from this? Which formula will be used to find median? Shreyas?
3m minus 2x.
Yes. Let MO equals to 3m minus 2x bar. Using this formula we will find median. But put the values available. First in mode what will we put?
6.4.
So 6.4 equals to
3 into m
3m as it is, because m is what we have to find.
minus 2 into 5.5.
Minus 2 into 5.5. Did you understand this? Krishma, what next? What is that? How do you get that? Shh. No discussions. 2 into 5.5 is 11. Did you understand this? Then, Urvi, next. Yes, minus 11 on the left side will become plus. Is equal to 3m. Means 17.4 is equal to 3m. Did you understand this? Then, Pramati. Yes, 17.4 divided by 3. 3 on the left side will get divided. 5. Understood this portion, everyone? So all the practical questions are over. Now we have to take up with some theory. So take out the first page of this chapter. Section D, 11th is remaining. Yes, correct. Okay, that will take up first before taking up with the theory. Look at section D, question 11, and mark it important also. Page 117. I'll explain it first how to solve it, be attentive. The mean of 50 observations is 35, so n is 50 and x bar is 35. Later on it was known that the value of one observation was taken as 50, which was wrong. Later on it is known that we have taken one observation as 50. Now this is find the mean of remaining observations by excluding the wrong observation. See how we would solve it is, first of all, using the formula of mean, we will find sigma xi. X bar is sigma xi upon n. Put your pens down. X bar is 35. So sigma xi upon n is 50. Can we get sigma xi from this or not? If you bring 50 on the other side, it will get multiplied. So 35 into 50, that is sigma xi is 1750, which is wrong. Means our answer is right. But practically it is wrong because one observation we have included wrongly 50. So when that sigma xi would have been done, then this would have been wrong. Now they say that find the mean of all the observations excluding this wrong. So in total of xi, one observation wrongly included is 50. If you remove that, then what would be your total of xi? 1700. Means what will be the correct sigma xi? 1750 minus 50, that is 1700. Then they say, put your pens down, understand it first I said. Then they say find the mean of remaining observations. Now if you remove one observation, then we have to find mean of 50 or 49 observations. Because we have subtracted one observation, mean now is to be obtained of how many observations? 49. Did you understand this? So what will be the correct mean if we reapply that formula? Sigma xi upon n. It will be, now the correct sigma xi is 700, and that is of how many observations? 49. So
34.69.
did you understand this? Suppose in the same question it was given that we have taken 50 instead of 15, 1 5. Means wrongly we have taken
15.
And what is the correct observation?
15.
Then what we would have done? Minus 50 plus 50. Correct observation we would have added. And n will remain 50 only. Because one observation you are removing and one observation you are also including. So n will remain 50 only. And then you can find the mean of that. I'm just discussing what all possibilities are there. Or they may say, find the mean by including one more observation, 50. Simply including one more observation, 50. Then we would not have subtracted, we would have added. And mean, now we have obtained 50 plus 1, 51 observations. So all these three alternatives are possible. Mark this as important and complete it. All have understood this or not? So we'll take up with the remaining theory part. I repeat it, if they say that we have taken 50 instead of 15, 1 time, then what you would have done after this step? Minus 50 also plus 15. Correct observation you would add it back. N would remain 50 only. And if they say that one more observation 50 is to be included, that's it. It's not the wrong observation, but one more observation 50 is to be included. Then what you would have done simply plus 50 and N would become 51. All these types are possible. Okay? Now look at page 68. First I'll discuss all the theory, then at the end in the exercise I'll make you mark the numbers where you get them. Okay? Only few points I need to explain you. Other will be understandable in the language. Page 68, third paragraph, you get the definition of central tendency. You can also write the definition I made you write in the notebook. That is more simple and better because here it is a bit confusing. In the notebook I made you write that measures of central tendency is a single value which represents the entire set of data. And generally it is in the central part, middle part of the distribution. So we call it as central tendency. Here, third paragraph, underline, in most of the graphs drawn for various frequency distributions, one can observe a common pattern that the values of variable are concentrated around a certain central value. This characteristic of data is called central tendency, and the central value around which the values of the variable are concentrated is called the measure of central tendency or average value. This is the definition of central tendency. Okay. Page 69 at the top, characteristics of good measure of central tendency. First, it should be well defined and rigid. What do you mean by well defined and rigid? Specific formulas should be there. and there should not be any confusion where a formula cannot be applied. Basically, I tell you mean, median, quartiles, percentiles, deciles, all are well defined, rigidly defined. Mode is not rigidly defined. We discuss the 5 situations when mode cannot be obtained by the normal formula. So except mode, all are well defined. And then rigidly defined or well defined. Second, it should be easy to understand and calculate. And like easy. Third, it should be based on all the observations of data, and then based on all observations only means. Arithmetic mean, weighted mean, geometric mean are based on all the observations. Because we add all the observations in its calculation, sigma x upon n, etc. But median, quartiles, deciles, percentiles and mode does not satisfy this characteristic. Why? Just now we have seen that example where even if last observation from 100 is changed to 110, the median remains same. Means is it based on all the observations? It is just based on the middlemost observation. So only means, arithmetic mean, weighted mean and geometric mean satisfy this characteristic. It should be suitable for further algebraic operations. It means, in bracket write down, it should be possible to find combined measure. This characteristic is also satisfied only by mean. Did we study combined mean or not? Combined means formula n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. But did we study anything like combined median, combined mode? Because it cannot be obtained. Means this characteristic also applies only on mean. What do you mean by it is should be suitable for algebraic operations? It should be possible to find combined measure. Okay? It should be a stable measure. It means that the values of averages found from different samples of same size from same population should be almost same. So what like stable measure? Again, mean satisfies this. If you remember these characteristics, you'll automatically remember the advantages of mean. Because same become the advantages of mean. How does mean satisfy and understand it? Suppose I select 2 samples of marks. Suppose I select 2 samples of marks in which 2 marks are of intelligent students, 2 marks are of average students and 2 are of failures. Let us say that the test is of 50 marks. Tell me any 2 marks of intelligent students out of 50. 45? 48. Did you understand this? You tell me any 2 marks of average student? 35? 33. Adarshi, tell me failures 2 marks. 12? 15. Did you understand this? This is one sample I have taken. Now Shiv, tell me 2 marks of intelligent.
46, 49.
Then, but tell me average.
32, 36.
Silence. Then Dhruvi, tell me 2 marks of failures.
10, 11.
Okay. See, I have taken 2 samples. Now if I find mean of these samples, then 40, 80, 110, 140, 50, 60, 70, 70 and 88. What will be the mean? 188 sigma x divided by 6. 31.67. Are you all clear with this? Now if I find mean of this 40, 80, 110, 140, 150, 160, 166, 175, 177, 183, 184. What is 184 divided by 6?
13.6. 13.67.
Is it